The aim of this experiment is evaluating the loss coefficient of a valve in a piping system. In a fully developed flow, the fluid's acceleration becomes zero, which means that in a horizontal pipe system the pressure and viscous forces will be balanced. Since the friction between the fluid and the pipe due to wall shear stress opposes the flow, the pressure decreases along the flow direction in order to balance this friction force. This leads to the well-known pressure loss, or head loss, phenomenon in the pipe systems. To carry out this experiment, following equipments will be used: a centrifugal pump, a standard caliper, cables, 2 pressure transducers, a flowmeter, a reservoir, 2 power supply units, an NIC DAC, an NI 9203 module, an NI 9213 module, Arduino Uno R3 clone. We are going to use 3 ports, which include a 5-volt input that powers the flowmeter, a ground port, and a signal port. Hardware connections are done for the flowmeter. The code block running on the Arduino board prints out the flow rate in liters per minute and cumulative total in milliliters every second. So, it is also possible to use the difference between the cumulative totals to get the value of flow rate. Since we have 2 pressure transducers, 2 ports on NI 9203 module have been used. And as it can be seen on block diagram, the data gathered from the sensors are filtered before appearing on the graph. Connections must be done according to the drawing. All set. Now, we are ready to carry out the experiment. In this section, the measurements will be repeated for 4 different angles of the valve, which is located between the 2 pressure transducers. First, let's measure the inner diameter of the pipe. We also need to know the length between the pressure transducers.